Hey guys, if you're new and want to learn how to set a track code on Systeme.io, you're in the right place. First, log in on your browser or app. Once you're inside, go to the dashboard and click on Funnels. Select the funnel or page where you want to add your tracking code. Now click on the Edit Page option. This will open your page builder. On the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. Then scroll down and you'll see the tracking code sections. One for the header and one for the footer. Now, if you want to set the track code of your Facebook lead, pixel, or event, do the same like this showing on the screen. Or you can copy it to set up tracking for any other website too. Paste your Facebook pixel or tracking script into the header code box. This ensures it loads when your page opens. If you're adding any event code like lead or purchase, you can place it in the footer code section. After that, click Save Changes on the top right and exit the editor. Now open your funnel page in a new tab and test it. Your Facebook pixel or tracking code should now be active and recording data. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a Facebook or any custom tracking code step by step.